Mastering Kitchen English, Chop the Vegetables, Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase that you might encounter in recipes, cooking shows, or even in everyday kitchen conversations. Chop the vegetables. Understanding these simple yet crucial instructions can make a big difference in your cooking skills and your English proficiency. So, let's get started and chop right into the details. When we hear the phrase, chop the vegetables, it refers to the action of cutting vegetables into pieces using a knife. The size and shape of the pieces can vary depending on the recipe or the desired outcome. Chopping is a fundamental kitchen skill that is not only important for cooking but also a great way to practice your English language skills in a practical context. Key points to remember. Chop is a verb that means to cut something into pieces with a sharp tool, like a knife. Vegetables refer to any type of vegetable, which can include carrots, potatoes, onions, peppers, and more. The phrase can be applied to a wide range of cooking scenarios, from making salads to preparing ingredients for a stir-fry. Chopping vegetables can be done in several ways, depending on the recipe's requirements. Here are a few common methods. 1. Rough chop. This involves cutting vegetables into large, irregular pieces. It's quick and does not require precise knife skills. 2. Dice. Dicing means cutting vegetables into small, cube-shaped pieces. This method is often used for soups, salads, or dishes where a uniform size is important for even cooking. 3. Julienne, or matchstick cut. This is a more precise method where vegetables are cut into thin, long strips. It's commonly used for stir-fries or as garnish. Understanding these methods can help you follow English language recipes more easily and improve your culinary vocabulary. 1. Use a sharp knife. A sharp knife is safer and more efficient for chopping vegetables. 2. Practice proper knife safety. Always cut away from your body and keep your fingers tucked away safely. 3. Be consistent. Try to cut your vegetables into uniform sizes for even cooking. 4. Stay patient and practice. Like learning English, mastering chopping takes time and practice. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and importance of the phrase, chop the vegetables, in both cooking and English language learning contexts. Remember, cooking is not just about following recipes. It's a fun way to practice your English too. Keep practicing your chopping skills and your English vocabulary, and you'll be amazed at how both improve hand in hand. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy cooking and learning!